There's baby spiders. Oh. Hi, today I want to show you the results of my winter sowing, and I think it was quite well done. This is the first time I've done it, and I'm excited with all the results. So now I have all these different plants to pot up. I don't have space in my garden for a lot of them. Some of them I need to grow on until they get a little bit bigger so that they can handle the conditions in the garden. And I'm just going to sit and plant them up, and you can see how I do it. First of all, I got a strawberry foxglove. I'm just using old pots. I've got some potting soil. So what I've got here is the foxglove, and I'm going to put a tag in one of these containers because I'm going to line it up the way I can remember in my brain. And I'm going to use a knife and just dig out one of the bigger ones. Just slightly tease it out. See if it comes. They might have been in here a little too long. So you've got lots of roots, so you just set it in your pot. I'm going to take some of this soil and just put it around the root ball. You don't want the soil to cover where the plant came out of the soil. Okay, so there's number one. Just going to gently break them apart. Now this one has 3, and I really don't want 3, so I'm going to pick one out. And I'm just going to put in, I don't know if I should put the 2 in. Well, that's 3. There. I think I need more soil. There. So that one's done. Next I have Penstemon Rocky Mountain. Now, in my way of keeping plants in order, I put this where it starts. So this is the foxglove, and then this is the Rocky Mountain Penstemon. Sometimes they don't want to come out. These ones are done. I'll just get rid of these and figure out what else I'm going to do. Foxglove, the Cap Beauty. And I really don't even need this many, but I'm going to try and see how many I get. I've prepared the container, so let's see how it goes. And it seems like all of them are sort of centered in the middle. So don't be afraid to get in there and kind of dig. Not like that. Oh man. That's hilarious. Okay, these two are going in because they're just way too close together. That's the one downfall about winter sowing is you get more than one seed really close, and I can pull out like that little one. But you can't control where they germinate. Even though I did sprinkle them all over, you can't control where they germinated. Well, that's not too bad. So I'll just pull out the little ones that are trying to grow. There. I'm just going to hold the foliage up. Just press it down. There. There's baby spiders. There. This I think I'm just going to put into the ground by chunking them. This is poppies, and they're perennial poppies, so I'm going to just put them in the ground. I'm going to just divide them up and just put them in little clumps. Once they get watered, give them a couple of days. They're just being drama queens right now. They should perk up. Okay. This one is hollyhock, fiesta time. I cannot grow hollyhocks the regular way. I've tried it every year. I've tried to put some in the house and under the grow lights. I can't do it. Will not come for me, but I'm happy with this. Oh, look at the roots. Now, maybe we'll put them over here. Oh, that was great. The Coreopsis next. This is Coreopsis lanceolata. I'll put pictures up of these. And the last one I'm going to do is these hollyhocks. I don't know if they might be too big. They're a black hollyhock. I'm going to try and get the little ones for sure. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm just going to do the one, and I just plant these right out into the garden. They've been left in there too long. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.